guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have my December BOXYCHARM. So I'm still getting the regular BOXYCHARM, not the deluxe version. This one is the, what is it, like $25 a month? I can't even remember. Anyway, this is all full-size products, and let me show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing that I got is from COSMEDIX, and this is the Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. I've actually used this before and it is fantastic. I really love this brand. I have a spray, like just a face spray from them that I adore, and this mask is amazing. So anyway, super love this. Happy to have another one because I really do love it. This is really interesting. This is a little like travel hair straightener. Look how cute this is. And I love this. It's like a felt, like a sturdy felt bag that you can just throw it in, a nice travel bag. And this is great for like setting it on while it's hot as well. And it's just this cute little teeny tiny blue thing. The company is just PYT. I've never heard of them before, but this thing is like $75, which I was like, whoa, baby. I actually have one from Bedhead that I've been using for several years now, and I love that one, and that one's probably like 20 bucks or something. Anyway, this one I like. I was kind of comparing the two, and I like the handle a little bit more on this one. It has like a little extra detail, and the shape is just a little bit different. And these are floating plates, so if you squish on them, they do kind of squish in, which is supposed to be, you know, good for your hair so that you're not like just pulling it. I used this a little bit. I was like trying to just like plug it in, you know, and see how it is on my hair, because I feel like I might give this one away since I have my Bedhead one. And, you know, I mean, it seems really nice. It gets up to 400 degrees. This is not the kind of thing that you want to do your whole head with unless you have like super short hair. It's more for touch-ups, like after the gym or the beach or I don't know, wherever, you know, you travel with it, touch up after work before you go out to the club, kind of a thing. And it's just really nice. You can do cute little curls. Like, you know, I always have these little things right here so I can put those in little curls, you know, if I put my hair up or fix my bangs or, you know, get the like kinks out of my hair from my ponytail that it was in, you know, that sort of thing. But it's really great for touch-ups, and I love the packaging that it comes with. So that was a super amazing thing in our box this month. Okay, and then on to some actual makeup items. We got this thing from Pretty Vulgar. We've actually gotten several things from Pretty Vulgar in the past. Some of them I like, some of them I don't, but I always love their packaging. So today I'm actually wearing Pretty Vulgar blush and the eyeliner that comes in the cutest little thing. Anyway, this is just a translucent powder, and it comes with the cutest little pink puff, and I used it today and I really actually like this powder. It is supposed to be good for oily skin and, you know, sopping up your oils throughout the day. I don't have oily skin, so I don't know if I can say whether or not it actually does that, but for my more dry skin, it doesn't make me look all like dried out and cracky. So I'm really liking this. I think it's really nice. Plus this little powder puff is so cute. You know, the packaging is always adorable with this company. So you can see it's just like a loose powder, normal kind of old school powder thing. It's great, I'm loving it. On my lips is this lip pencil. This is from BODYOGRAPHY, another company that I had not heard of before. And this is just the lip pencil in Timber, and they are vegan and cruelty-free, which is nice. The color is very pretty. I mean, you can see it on my lips. That's all I have on my lips right now. And it's kind of this, I mean, it's brown, but it's not, I don't know, it's not like an unwearable brown, at least I don't think so. I mean, I do like browns. This is one of those colors that you can also use for like lots of other colors as a lip liner, you know, more of your dark vampy colors, a red, a purple, even more neutral nude type shades. This is really handy, and it goes on really nice and creamy. A lot of the vegan pencils that I've tried tend to be very stiff, and it's not like a gel formula, but it doesn't hurt to put it on, if you know what I mean. So anyway, I love the color and the formula is great. And then this is from Tarte. This is one of their lip paints, and this could also be used as a lip topper. In fact, I will put it on for you right now because it looks like it's this wonderful kind of bronzy, coppery, gold shimmer shade, but it's not super opaque. It really is more of just like a sheer wash of color with some glitter in it. I was wearing it on its own earlier and it looked really pretty. I actually really like it, and I like the formula on these. They're a little on the thicker side, but not super sticky, but you know, you definitely feel them, but they do feel hydrating and all of that. Okay, so let me put it on for you so you can see how it looks as a topper over Timber. I feel like these two colors go really nicely together. There we go. See, it's not super sparkly. Like, here, let me zoom you in. Okay, so you can see it's not crazy sparkly, you know, it's not super opaque like it looks in the tube, but it is nice and shimmery and shiny and festive. It feels very nice and hydrating on your lips. It makes a great topper. It's the kind of thing that you would throw in your purse, and then if you are wearing a liquid lipstick or, you know, something more dry, and after a while you're just kind of over it, you can throw this on and it just adds a little festive glow to your lips, or just carry this around and wear it on its own. It's really, really pretty. I'm actually quite in love with this, more so than I thought I would be. So anyway, that is my BOXYCHARM for this month. I'm really happy with everything I got. Let me know what you guys thought of this month's box. If you got the deluxe version, which I think December was having the deluxe version, right? Let me know what you guys got, what you thought. Did you get different or the same things as me? I always love hearing from you, so make sure you leave comments for me. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.